guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the MIZUNO Wave Rider Beta. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just wanted to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers. And you all know without you guys we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the MIZUNO Wave Rider Beta. We got this in the UK size 8, it's European 42, and this is US 9. So this is a brand new version of the Wave Rider from MIZUNO, and here they are. Retail, like a very niche sneaker, and MIZUNO is kind of a niche brand. If you know about the Runbird, you know about good sneakers. So this is their newest design. We've done a review of the Wave Rider, so do check that out if you get a minute. But this is the newest one. Very more modern in detailing, and we'll start with all the good stuff like the outsole. So this outsole is a all rubber outsole, but you can see the foam that is kind of exposed right there, and it's the MIZUNO Wave, like the shape right there. And then you look at the midsole. So again, as I mentioned before, it's an exposed foam, and that foam is different because it's injected. And it uses that MIZUNO energy for your cushioning and your support. Then we move on to the upper. So this upper is made out of an array of materials. You've got your mesh, and then you've got your suedes. So if you look at the suede paneling all around, it's in this olive green and this dark olive like khaki right here. And it's complemented with like some subtle hits of mustard right there. And then you look at the mesh, obviously right there for your breathing. The tongue nicely padded, because this is essentially a running sneaker with a MIZUNO logo right there. You got brown laces with the yellow aglets. The lateral side, you've got the famous MIZUNO Runbird right there. And you look at the heel. At the heel, you've got the suede paneling, this little like rubber bit with the Runbird logo. And then you look at the insole. So that insole, you've got the MIZUNO lettering to round it off. Very lightweight in its design, very lightweight sneaker. Some more modern take on the Wave Rider, even though the Wave Rider is kind of a new sneaker. This looks like your typical running sneaker that you'll find on nowadays. Because of the shape, it's more pointed. You got an exaggerated midsole unit, but that again is for your comfort. And MIZUNO are famous for their running sneakers, so I'm really excited to try these MIZUNO Wave Rider Betas on for you. When it comes to the fit guys, I recommend that you get a true to size European fit. When it comes to the European fit, I'm typically a size 42, and this equates to a UK size 8. These fit fine, very comfortable as well. Very lightweight, it's like your traditional runner, that's what you want. They look really cool on as well. I like the tones, it goes well with what's currently on trend. And with it being a MIZUNO, you know, it's a very niche product, but you know, you got your eyes somewhere. You're not following no crowds who love your big Nike, Adi and New Balance. If you want something different, try these Wild Riders Beta on for you. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.